Want to DIY oil changes and maintenance for your car at home, but don't want to wait in line at a repair shop? In this video, we've selected 15 popular car tools from Amazon to help you easily complete the job at home. Want to keep your engine running at peak performance? This advanced, fully synthetic 0W-40 engine oil is your ultimate protection. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum is made from natural gas, offering higher purity and fewer impurities, providing more stable lubrication and protection, with an engine protection warranty of up to 20 years or 750,000 miles. To protect your engine, giving you peace of mind on every mile, allowing you to drive as far as possible. It performs reliably in extreme cold and heat, specifically designed for high-performance engines to prevent power loss, and demonstrates unmatched wear protection in the SAE 5W-30 series EVA test. Not only does it provide excellent protection, but it also helps improve fuel economy, meeting or exceeding OEM requirements through API-SPE industry specifications. Chrysler MS A0921 SRT. This motor oil will keep your vehicle running like new in any road condition, ready to tackle any road challenge. Looking for longer lasting, safer protection for your engine? This BOSCH premium oil filter uses exclusive Filtech media technology to effectively filter and trap up to grams of dirt and particles, preventing them from circulating inside the engine, reducing wear and tear from the source, and avoiding engine failure caused by pollutant buildup. It is equipped with a sturdy steel baseplate and shell, precisely matching OE standards, which is not easy to deform, preventing oil leakage or improper assembly. The silicone anti-backflow valve ensures that the engine gets clean oil as soon as the vehicle starts, reducing cold start wear. High lubricity gaskets provide a tight, leak-proof seal, ensuring safety while also allowing for easy removal during oil changes. The internal metal spiral-wrapped center tube further enhances strength and durability, maintaining stable performance even during prolonged operation. It is compatible with various vehicle models, including but not limited to certain sedans, SUVs, and trucks. It is recommended to use a compatibility checker to confirm compatibility before installation. The BOSCH Premium Oil Filter is the guardian of engine longevity and stable performance, ensuring smoother and longer lasting engine operation. This high-density polyethylene oil drain pan is specifically designed for efficient waste oil recovery. It is sturdy and durable, capable of easily handling the frequent oil changes required by large-capacity equipment. Its closed-loop safety design prevents leaks, while the 8-inch wide opening, paired with a parts basket, filter, and O-ring sealed screw-on lid, ensures smooth oil drainage without the need for additional tools. Featuring an integrated handle and wheeled design, it can be stored upright or flat, saving space and making movement effortless, ensuring cleaner and more efficient waste oil recovery. This multifunctional elastic band wrench is made of thickened and widened rubber material. The large size has a maximum torque of 200 N, while the small size has a maximum torque of 90 N, making it both durable and effortless to use. Adjustable diameter: large size can hold items up to 6 inches, small size up to 4 inches, with soft non-slip nylon plus TPR handle. Comfortable grip, does not damage the surface. Whether it's car oil filters, pipe installation, or opening bottles and cans, it can handle it all with ease. Pull the belt to lock it in place, stable and non-slip, and can work smoothly even in narrow spaces. Tired of your garage floor being ruined by oil stains, wastewater, and dirt? This amazing product keeps your floor clean and new. Made from absorbent non-woven fabric, it firmly absorbs engine oil, water, coolant, and other liquids, ensuring no leaks. Just like giving your beloved vehicle an extra-large oil drip pan. The anti-slip, waterproof rubber backing keeps it securely in place without shifting, while also preventing liquid penetration to protect your floor from damage. Not only ideal for cars, it can also be used under motorcycles, golf carts, gardening tools, trash bins, and even pet cages. One mat, multiple uses. It can be easily cut to fit the size of your garage, and cleaning is super simple, just vacuum or rinse it off. Looking for a durable, versatile tool set? This high-quality socket wrench set is definitely worth purchasing. Crafted from premium chrome vanadium steel alloy with a mirror finished chrome plating, it offers exceptional strength and wear resistance, ensuring long-lasting performance. The set includes 21 drill bit sockets and 13 metric sockets, covering various specifications such as SL, PH, PZ, hex, and T-type, along with a quick-release ratchet handle to handle different tasks with ease. It also comes with multiple extension bars, universal adapters, T-handles, rotary handles, and drill bit adapters, making it perfect for automotive repairs, home renovations, or woodworking DIY projects. The quick-release switch and flip mechanism ensure smooth operation, while the rubber handle provides a comfortable grip even during prolonged use. The sturdy blow-molded storage case ensures each tool has its own designated spot, making it easy to carry and ready to use anytime, anywhere. Bring it home practical and durable. Looking to work effortlessly in tight spaces? This 72-tooth 3-piece composite ratchet set is your go-to tool. With just a 5-degree rotation space, you can quickly complete tasks, making it ideal for narrow environments. The high-strength palm rest design ensures durability and ease of use. Simply press the release button to change sockets with one hand. The bidirectional ratchet switches smoothly, allowing you to change direction without removing it. The one-piece chromium vanadium steel construction is sturdy and durable, allowing you to handle any repair scenario with ease. The one-piece chromium vanadium steel construction is sturdy and durable, allowing you to handle any repair scenario with ease. It's suitable for a wide range of vehicles, including cars, motorcycles, trucks, SUVs, RVs, and boats, and can handle everything from gasoline, diesel, engine oil, coolant, to water and kerosene with ease. The flexible, detachable long nozzle can reach deep into engine compartments or fuel ports, addressing hard-to-reach areas. The wide opening and nozzle allow liquids to flow in quickly without spilling. The built-in mesh filter traps impurities, preventing them from entering the fuel tank or engine. The sturdy, ergonomic handle ensures each refueling is clean and effortless. Still struggling to lift SUVs, trucks, or RVs? This high-lift bottle jack makes it easy. Featuring a dual-ram hydraulic design with extended screws, it can lift up to 16.54 inches, making maintenance and servicing of high-clearance vehicles a breeze. The unique dual-tube structure provides nearly twice the lifting capacity of traditional 2 to 4 ton jacks, while the adjustable spiral top ensures precise adaptation to different height requirements. Constructed from durable alloy steel, it weighs just 5.5 pounds, with the main bottle slightly larger than a 12-ounce soda can. Yet it provides stable load-bearing capacity and long-lasting durability. It comes with a portable storage case, making it convenient to store in the trunk or garage. From daily tire changes to long-distance rescues, this high-lift bottle jack is an essential tool for your vehicle. Want to lift your car quickly and safely? This high-quality large red hydraulic jack has been rigorously tested and can support up to 2 tons. With a minimum height of 5.1 inches and a maximum height of 13 inches, it easily fits most sedans. A safety bypass system prevents overloading, while large steel casters and 360-degree swivel casters ensure precise and smooth movement. Note: it is designed for lifting only and should not be used as a long-term load-bearing substitute for a jack stand. Lightweight design with heavy-duty performance, making your garage operations more efficient and safer. Looking for a stable support for your vehicle after lifting it? This lightweight jack stand can support up to 6 tons, and its wide pyramid base provides extra strength and stability. Constructed from high-grade forged steel and a welded frame, it is durable and reliable. The multi-position ratchet rod allows for quick adjustment and secure locking, making it suitable for sedans and SUVs. The large saddle surface design ensures a more secure contact with the vehicle, and safety performance meets SME standards, providing peace of mind during repairs. This high-quality tool roller garage crawler has been developed and rigorously tested to ensure durability and reliability. The heavy-duty tubular steel frame is sturdy and durable, equipped with non-wear polyurethane swivel casters for smooth and effortless movement. The thickened padded seat design provides excellent stability and comfort, transforming into a seat in seconds to meet diverse needs. The 6x2-inch swivel casters allow for smooth and precise movement within the garage, significantly improving work efficiency. With a maximum load capacity of 150 kilograms and a reasonable size, it helps you comfortably complete various maintenance tasks. This Tresda rechargeable LED work light is designed to be extremely flexible and practical. The main light and 2 side lights can be adjusted independently. The main light supports 180-degree up-down adjustment and 360-degree rotation, while the side lights can be folded backward 180 degrees, providing comprehensive illumination for your workspace. With ultra-high brightness ranging from 700 to 3000 lumens and 5 adjustable lighting modes, it meets all your lighting needs. Equipped with a 4400 mAh high-capacity battery, it offers up to 9 hours of runtime and can even charge your phone in emergencies, truly achieving multi-functional portability. IP65 waterproof rating with 4 powerful magnets and screw holes on the bottom for easy mounting, making it suitable for workshops, construction sites, garages, and home environments. lightweight and durable, professional lighting, making your work more efficient than ever. These Inspire nitrile gloves are specifically designed for high-intensity applications, such as medical, industrial, and automotive repair. With a thickness of 6 mils, they offer tear resistance, puncture resistance, a snug fit, and uncompromising flexibility. Whether you are a doctor, nurse, lab worker, food handler, tattoo artist, or mechanic, these gloves provide reliable protection. Multifunctional gloves with textured fingertips, touchscreen compatible, latex-free, safe, and comfortable. Protect your hands. Start with Inspire. Still worried about your vehicle sliding? This heavy-duty rubber wheel chock is lightweight and durable, securely holding vehicles weighing up to 4 tons. Featuring built-in anti-slip rubber handles for easy carrying and storage. Made from high-quality rubber material, it is oil-resistant, anti-slip, and provides exceptional grip, ensuring the wheels remain securely locked in place. Whether it's a car, truck, trailer, RV, small aircraft, or boat, this versatile wheel stop will help prevent accidental slipping, making every parking experience safer and more secure. Thanks for watching. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We look forward to your comments in the comments section. See you in the next video where we'll continue to unlock more great car products.